Good evening. Good evening everyone. So, welcome to my vlog, and today I will teach you how to play a basic chords and how to play piano at home. So, first thing first is uh, you need to have a keyboard piano, so you can play anytime or any time you want. So first is you need to identify the basic parts of the keyboard piano. So first is here is the on and off button. So we cannot clearly identify it because it's a Japan language, and this is a volume. So the other parts here, we have the number of what mode we will use, and the white tiles and the black tiles compose this keyboard piano. It compose a 61 keys, like all this and all the black, but the chords only here is only 12, white and the black. So here from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this uh, I will teach you how to your hands what looks like. So here is the C, the D, the E, the F, the G, the A, the B. So as you can hear, the sounds here is different from here. So here is the bass or the octave, and here is you can play a melody here, like the C D E F G A B. Here is the bass, C D E F G A B, and the black also the here. And when can you identify the chords? From here, the C, the D, E, F, G, A, B, and you can identify it like you start playing here at the bottom of the black tile. From you see this two, the bottom of this in the left, this is C. Like this also in the other C, C also, C, this C, D, F, G, A, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So the black, you have C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, or the D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, and the B flat. So you need to put your hands or to plaster your hands here. You need to play the C. If you want to play C, you need to plaster your kamot like this. C. This is C major. So you can hear the sounds. It here. Let's play another sounds. This. So here you need to, if you want to play C, this is the form of your hands at C. C major. So this is the C major. So if you hear a jolly, like this, it's a major. Major. But if you hear like this, sad or horror or crying, it's a minor. Here. So minor. See the difference? Jolly and sad. So that's a C major. Here. The happy is a a major, and the sad is a minor. So C major, C minor, D major, D minor. So the E major, E minor, F major, F minor, G major, the G minor, and the A major, and the A minor, and the B major, and the B minor. So if you, it sounds like this if you play a song. I'm not very good at it, but I can teach you the basics. Like here, the octave and the octave and the melody, you can play this. Enter, rejoice and come in. Open your hearts to the Lord. Today will be enter, rejoice and come in. Like that. So, but you need to have a keyboard piano to play or to master it, because if you don't have a keyboard piano, you cannot fully understand how to play, because it's not very easy to understand it. It's very hard, and you need to self learn it, or you have a tutor. So here the hands, I play octave, and the melody you can use like this. You can play, there's a many parts, many methods to use, but I play chords because I don't know how to play the notes or the arpeggios. Like I can play the I can play I can play all I can play I chords like this one hand, this is a chords. You can that if you put octaves, it sounds like this. You can play octave by using your two fingers, or your three fingers like this. Or you can play also a one C, doing C. Ding, 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 ding. This. Or you can play also like this. By hearing the sound of the music, you can master it by using your ears. Like you know how to hear what's the chord. Like this, you can play a this. I don't know how to play. Like that, you can play like that. Many methods how to use this or techniques, but I only learned the chords for now because it's very hard to master it takes time or months, years. So now I focus on my hearing to improve it, to know what it sounds. For example, uh, I can see the chords, but I need to identify what chords is it. Like this, C, C, it's C, and this D, 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 like that. I need to improve it so I can play more better. And in the keyboard piano, it also have a like this combo. You can play like that. Can play like that. But for me, it's very nice to sing without this combo because I can't manage it. So now I will play a song. I will find any song that songs for the mass. I don't know. I think I know how to play this. Very yabag guys, but I will do my best to teach you how to play. If you have a keyboard piano, you can watch YouTube, TikTok, some tutorials, but you can download a Google Sheets to watch chords or the notes, the nota, the 2 notes, 4 notes, 60 notes, that Yahweh, I know you are near, like that. Always at my side, you guard me from the fall, and you lead me in ways everlasting, like that. Lord, you have searched my heart, and you know when I sit and when I stand. Your hand is upon me, protecting me from death, keeping me from harm, like that. But also I forgot to teach you what is this. This is a sustain pedal, or it sounds like this if you don't have. So if you use sustain pedal, if you tamak it will sustain the sound. If you buhi, because at first your hands can numb in 3 days or 2 days if you play every hour, every minute, that you need to master it. It needs time or focus, and also the discipline. If you want to learn piano or any instruments, you need to be a consistent. You will not learn like you play now and by the other week you play, so you cannot learn from that. So if you want to play, you need to play every hour, every minute, like that, but slow. You need to don't be focus on a another sounds. You play basic muna, need to basic the music, or need to learn the music theories, like the family chords, like the G, C, G, C, A minor, D, like that, the C, G, A minor, F, like that. So, bye guys. And if you want to learn more about this, you can approach me. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.